Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the long-awaited hair update. So as you guys can see in this video and my last couple of videos, I went blonde. I pretty much going to tell you kind of what I did. I was filming it and then I just decided to abort the mission. It has been a complicated process. Not too complicated, but it's been steps and steps. So I'm pretty much going to tell you guys about what I initially got to lighten my hair with, some of the steps I took, what I did different this time, and some of my holy grail products that I've gotten in the last few weeks to like help my hair's health. But let's go. So about my hair, I don't feel like showing it off. It is wet right now. I don't feel like showing it off to you guys that much because it's not perfect. It may never be. So I'm kind of just vibing with it, you know. But I will say this last lightening adventure, I've done a really good job at getting all my roots, and I'm going to tell you how. First, I'll introduce you to the $100 Sally's order I got a few weeks ago, and I decided that it was go time. Now, I might have mentioned this in like my Brad Mondo response video that I was planning to go to the salon. Brad Mondo dropped that video about me December 24th. And then finally everything like died down. A month later come the TikToks. And it just like, I swear it just like triggered me, and I was like, I just want to be like light blonde. I want to be blonde so bad. That's how I feel my best. And so I went ahead to Sally's. I will say though, literally like the morning after I went and spent $100 at Sally's, a girl that I had went to elementary school with and is now a really awesome hairstylist, like an amazing hairstylist, she messaged me and was interested in like helping me fix my hair, and she still might. I'm still totally open to that. I chatted back and forth with her for a few days. I really like her. Her work is amazing. And like I said, we went to school together. She's from my area, so that still might happen. But this is what I got to start off with: a big old thing of bleach, a big old thing of developer. I got a pack of gloves. I got Clairol, a white extra strength powder lightener. I got Ion 40 volume developer. I know I could have did like a 20 or a 30. I know. I got these clips, a mixing bowl and brush, purple toning mask from Clairol. I pretty much got everything I would need. I went ahead and I did my roots first. I had quite a lot of grow out. This was like kind of an example of the before. I don't have the best pictures, but I had a lot of roots. So I went ahead and I did the roots first. Then I did my whole head, and I actually tried a new way of sectioning. I was YouTubing like an easy way to section for roots, or the best way to section for roots, and I don't know if I can find the exact video to show you guys, but it was pretty much a method where you part down the middle and then split it here and here. I've never been good at sectioning, but that was simple enough that I could do it. It really helped me go through all 4 sections of my head one by one and get all the roots. And that's probably like my biggest accomplishment from this whole process, was just pretty much getting all my roots. So yeah, after the roots I went ahead, I did my whole head, and then I went over again because I have like a darker patch on this side which is still kind of there, and I went over just that. Then I went ahead with my Wella T18. I had bought 2 bottles of the Wella T18 color. This one is open, that's why it looks like that. I got stuff on it. So I used like 1.5 of these with my developer, and then I toned my whole head. So that was like a 4-step process. Over the last few weeks, I have used Shimmer Light's purple toning mask like probably like 2 or 3 times. I got the K18 Biomimetic Hair Science hair repair mask. This is from Sephora. This little guy was about $30. They had a big one, but it was like $70 or $80. So I was like, let me try the small one first. It comes out in really little pumps. It says on the directions to use, to start with 3 pumps and add more as needed. I'm out here doing like 10, 15 pumps to get all my hair. But I like, needless to say, I like this a lot. I did put it on like my damp hair earlier today, but I think it does help, and it brings like a certain tameness to your hair. If you have like dryness or frizzy from bleaching, it helps with that. So that was like the first phase of all this. This was kind of the results. I had some patches, but it's like not like making or breaking. More recently, on Valentine's Day, I decided to treat myself and I grabbed the Opalex Blonde Maintenance Conditioner. I actually already talked about this in my Valentine's haul, but if you haven't seen that video, it's a fun little vlog. You could go check it out. I've always had Opalex on my mind when thinking of taking steps to better my hair. So I'm finally trying the conditioner. I've used it about 3 times and I like it as well. I think the first time I used it, my hair was like very silky after, and it was just like new. I was like, wow. So I am using Opalex currently, and I did do a touch-up bleach. So in just 3 weeks, I had about a 1/4 inch of roots coming in. You can see they're a little more yellow now that I bleached them, but I did do another bleach today because I felt confident enough in the steps I'm taking to nourish my hair that I could bleach again after a few weeks. But that's, yeah, so now I'm probably gonna leave it alone till like April. But I have to say, even though it's not perfect, I really like having that platinum look starting to come through. And I think when I do like crimpy hair as well, that kind of helps drown out if you have like patchiness or discolored spots. Yeah, that's literally just what I've been up to, just my little at-home shenanigans, and I like being blonde. I don't know what else to say, but thank you guys for watching. I hope this is the update you're anticipating. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Mwah, thank you for watching.